Hari Om, this is Yamuna Devi, and I am so happy to share with you what is Ayurveda. I have been receiving a lot of messages. What is Ayurveda? Can you explain to me? I would like to know. And I would also like to know how I can incorporate Ayurveda into my life, and perhaps if it can help me and my family. And I would love to know what benefits I can receive from Ayurveda. These are just some few questions that I've received. And I thought, let me make a video so that I can share. Even though I did reply to all of you, and I hope you received it. Ayurveda is a beautiful science. It's coming from India. It's 5,000 years old science, and it's a sister science of yoga. So it works with the dietary lifestyle aspect, and yoga is a spiritual aspect. So we do include definitely yoga into Ayurvedic practice, and yoga includes Ayurveda into yogic practice. So Ayurveda is the science of life. This is what it means. What does that mean? That we are trying as a being to create harmony with our environment. Means that our food can have an effect on us. Our relationships can have an effect on us. Certain unwanted situations or difficult situations can have an effect on us. So we want to be able to create that balance, observe the imbalance as it comes in whichever way it can come in: anxiety, waking, sleeplessness, weight loss, nervous disorders, so many menstrual imbalances, hormonal imbalances, menopause. So we want to see what is happening. These are just some things in digestion, right? So we want to understand what is the root cause. Ayurveda seeks for the root cause of any imbalance. If we have sinus congestion, if we have allergies, we don't want to give a pill and suppress the allergy. We don't believe in that. We believe in going deep into the root cause of that allergy, see what is happening, and how can we bring that out and clear that out. So not to become dependent on medications that's only suppress and put a band-aid over our imbalances. We want to actually clear it out. We want to bring it out. We want to detoxify the body. We want to cleanse the body. We want to boost the digestive fire, boost the immune system so that we can protect ourselves from any difficulty that may come to us. So Ayurveda, we believe in three things: ahara, which is the diet. So it's not the diet that everyone says, oh, I don't do diets. No, it's basically according to your constitution and imbalance, we give you a specific diet protocol, food protocol, things that you can eat. Perhaps bananas can give you congestion, or apples can give you anxiety. Watermelons can create imbalance of your water metabolism in the blood. These are some things, for example, that we would tell you, okay, avoid this because you're having this symptom, or eat this because it will help this symptom. So we try to adjust the diet of the person according to their need. So this is very key. This is ahara, the food. Food is very important because what we eat, we become. Then we have ahara. So that's ahara, and then vihara. Vihara is our lifestyle. So basically, what are we doing in our lives that can possibly create an imbalance? Stress creates imbalance, right? Excessive drinking of coffee can create an imbalance. Excessive chocolate, anything in excess or too little can create an imbalance. So always we try to follow the middle path and experience that balance. So vihara is lifestyle. Example, if I run excessively, I can deplete my energy, right? And if I don't do any exercise, I can also create lethargy in my body, right? But just the right amount of exercise will help me feel good. This is just an example, same as like food, right? So that is part of lifestyle. Anything in excess or too little is unhealthy. So we give a specific lifestyle protocols we recommend, we suggest, and we try to combine your lifestyle protocols to tweak it and adjust it and create a better lifestyle for you. depending on your need, depending on your job. So stress is something, my friends, that we have to work on, please. This is very important, and something that I see often is people are burning out. People are working excessive hours and not dedicating time to their healing, to their well-being. This is something that I see often, very, very often, and we need to correct that. We need to help ourselves too. We need to say, I need to take care of myself, and put yourself first. And let me tell you something. When you put yourself first, trust me, you will heal. You will feel joyful, you will feel happy, and guess what? Your work will be more efficient, your business will become more effective, and you will bloom. So this is from my experience. I've seen it. People bloom. Why? Because there is better communication even with the coworkers. Even with employees, there's better communication. We need to establish good communication within ourselves so that we can help others. I want you to think about that. Then, so we have ahara, food, vihara, lifestyle, and aushadhi, which is the herbal protocol. Sometimes we give herbal supplements depending on the need of the person. So some people don't like to take it. It's fine. We don't have to take it. Herbs are effective way to help give you like a jump start into your healing process. These herbs are very beautiful. They're very special and sacred to us. So we do recommend only people who would like to take them and are ready to take them. These herbs are very natural. The body their intelligence will allow you, the moment you ingest it, it has the effect on the body, and what it doesn't need, the body doesn't need, it will expel, which is very beautiful. The herbs are natural. They're made from plants. They're made from herbs in your kitchen. So it's very special. So this is the 3 protocols that we follow in Ayurveda. And the body is always changing, so every age we are changing as well. So we educate you basically as an Ayurvedic practitioner how to live in harmony, how to experience that calmness, how to experience that serenity, and to be able to adapt and adjust to difficult situations and maintain that overall harmony. Because if you are happy, your environment will be happy and everyone will notice. So my love and good wishes with you all. And I wish you a beautiful, beautiful and happy day. Thank you. Adios.